Have you ever wondered why Europeans spent a few centuries eating Egyptian mummies? Clearly not. It's 1025 AD, and Arab physicians are writing about mumia, a black resin, praising it as a miraculous cure. When Europeans translated the text 100 years later, they thought,
"Wow, this sounds great. Where can we get some?"
Mummy stands here, so let's check out some mummies.
Oh look, there's that black miracle stuff on the mummy. Should we go ahead and scrape it off?
Wait a minute. This miracle cure has been sitting on these bodies for thousands of years. So by now, it must have soaked completely into the corpse itself, right? The whole body must be infused with healing power.
You're a genius. Let's eat the mummies as well.
so they went ahead and ground up whole human corpses, selling the resulting powder in apothecaries. King Charles II turned out to be one of their most enthusiastic customers. He took it every day. Got a headache? Mummy powder. The plague? Mummy powder. Bad mood? You guessed it. But as more and more people bought the stuff, real mummies quickly ran out, so smugglers wrapped up fresh corpses, aged them with chemicals, and sold them as 3,000 years old. The scheme worked for decades.